Hello everyone, welcome back, and now I'm going to create one Python program to read data from the file. Follow the steps. Firstly click on the desktop and select new and new folder. Write in folder name, for example data, and open it and select one notepad file, and write some information inside the file and save as in desktop. Select data file and write any name, for example read info.txt, info.txt, and click save and close it. Data folder contains one file, notepad file, in which some information are available, like file is it is time to work with file. File is a collection of information. There are two types of file, text file and binary file. And now I want to read these information from the info.txt file and display on the screen using Python program. Now move to the next steps and create one Python program. Start button, then select Python IDE and create new file and save this new file in data folder that was created on the desktop. Clear? Save as and select desktop and select data folder that was created on the desktop and write any name. For example, I'm going to write read data.py. Clear? I want to read some data from the info.txt file that was created on the desktop under data folder. Inside the data folder, firstly we have to need to create one file object, file obj. Assign open function here to open the info.txt file. In which mode? Read mode. Clear? Are you getting my points? Next thing is create a string variable str and read some data from the info.txt file with the help of file object. Clear? I use which function? Read function. Clear? Read function accepts a number of bytes that you want to print on the screen. For example, I want to read 8 character or 8 bytes. That's why I'm going to pass here 8. Clear? Then using print function, then print the str. Clear? And at the last close the file object, file obj dot close. Clear? Save it and run it. Run. You can see here only 8 character will be written. Clear? We got only 8 character. Count here 1, 2, space auto count 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Clear? Are you getting my points? Now if you want to read all the lines of the info.txt file and print on the screen, then don't need to pass in read function anything. Don't need to pass any number. Only read then function. Clear? Then save it and run it. In this case, we got all the information that are available inside the info.txt. Clear? Are you getting my points? Now I'm going to use readline function. Readline function. As you know, readline function return only one line of the test file. Here, in this case, only return first line. Run and check it. Run and check it. In this case, only we got a first line of the info.txt file. It is time to work with file. Clear? Are you getting my points? Third and last one, read lines. As you know, read lines read the all line of the test file and store each and every line in the form of list. Clear? Save it and run it. Clear? Then we got some output here inside the brackets. Inside the brackets. As you know, bracket contains the information in the form of list. Thank you for watching my videos. Thanks.